Hello, my guys, and welcome to another episode. In this episode, I have a new company. They sent me some LEDs, and I know we've been doing a lot of LEDs in the past few weeks, but they told me that this product was gonna surprise me, and they didn't tell me what they were gonna send. And they actually do send LEDs for my Honda Core. So let me show you what I got. So this company sent me this package, I would say like 3 4 days ago, and today I received another package, and this is for my Honda Core, and both of them is 9005 and 9006, a high and low beam. I don't know why I get another package today, but this one that I get today is larger than this one. So let's open both of them and let's see what we got. I know both of them are 9005 and 9006, high and low beam, but I don't know why I received two. But anyways, I already contacted them. They haven't responded yet. Company name is Aiskits, and this is the classic S1 LEDs 9005 and 9006 on both packages. Actually, this one is a little bit larger than this package. I don't know why I have another one today. I received this today, but both of them are the same. Let's see what we got. They have a couple business cards in here, which I think it looks pretty neat. We have the user's manual, and basically it's gonna tell you how to put them on, how they work, the connection, how to remove the old one and put the new one back on the car, and all the instructions about it. So I think it's pretty neat. And in here we have the LEDs. The package looks really nice. I don't know which one is 9005 and 9006, but let's find out. They have a little keychain. And gloves. So that's what we have on the first package. Okay, that's the first package. Let's open the second one. Watching the LEDs, it looks the same, but these ones, they're a little bit larger than these ones. And I think both of them are 6000K, 30,000 hours of lifespan. And actually, they do are 6000K LEDs on both. We want to try one of each first. We want to try the small ones and then the large ones. And one side we have halogen bulbs, the other side is going to be this setup. But let's start with the small ones. Yeah, this one is larger, so it says that it's 300% brighter, and this one is 200% brighter. So yeah, I think that's why they sent me two. We have halogen bulbs on the passenger side, high and low beam already in it, and we have nothing on this side. So let's put the two small ones first on the high and low beam. It has the numbers in here, 9005, 9006. Night and day, huh? Yeah, I like the color. It's 6000K, so you can't go wrong with 6000K. 8000 is kind of like bluish. 5000 is kind of like yellowish. So 6000 for me is just the perfect light output, brightness, and the color. Nothing like 6000K. Okay, now that we have those, I don't think we're gonna see a lot of difference between these and the big ones. So let's put the big ones now on that side so we can see the difference between the small and the large LEDs. Man, I keep loving my dash. It looks good. So there you have it with the high beams, and that side you can see how bright it is, and that's just the halogen bulbs, low beams, high beams. You barely see on the passenger that the high beam is on. That's crazy. LEDs are in place, plug and play like the other ones. When you put them on, just make sure that the LED is facing straight with the LED chips on each side, as you can see in there. So they're straight, and now let's see how bright they are. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see in camera on this setup, but you can see right there how bright they are compared to those. So those are brighter, of course, as you can see. If you can hear, this LED is very quiet, even though both of them they have fan to cool them down. Not that loud, to be honest. I think the noise is the same on both sides, so they're not that loud, but definitely those are brighter. Okay, let's remove the fog light. That's without fog light. Low beam, high beam, low beam. Okay guys, so I'll leave you with that. As you can see, those are super bright. They're brighter than those. So this is 9005, 9006. I'm gonna leave the links in the description for both the large LEDs, the small ones, and once I get the links and I can check where they sell them, I think it's on Amazon. They're gonna have a lot more LEDs for sure. I need to check their page to see which ones they have, but I'm pretty sure they're gonna have for any type of vehicle. This is the large LEDs, and that's the small LEDs. Okay guys, so I'll leave it with that. Link is gonna be in the description. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.